Do you want to browse Facebook without letting others know you're online? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to turn off your active status so you can maintain your privacy. Open the Facebook app on your phone and tap on the three-lined icon in the top left corner. Scroll down to the Settings and Privacy section, expand it, and tap on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section. Find and tap on the Active Status option. Here, you'll see a toggle switch labeled Show When You're Active. Tap the switch at the right side to turn it off. A confirmation prompt will appear. Tap Turn Off to confirm your choice. Now, your active status is disabled and you can browse Facebook privately. It's that easy. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful Facebook tips.